एवरीवन, मेरा नाम रजत है और आज हम बात करेंगे व्हाट आर द गोल्स ऑफ सिक्स सिग्मा। सो सिक्स सिग्मा जैसे कि हम जानते हैं टॉक्स अबाउट द डिफेक्ट्स per million opportunities, right? So if you remember the previous video, it's 3.5 defects per million opportunities, right? So this is Six Sigma. It's a methodology that helps us to improve processes, right? So इसके objectives क्या हैं? इसके goals क्या हैं? The first and the foremost that I wanted to list down here is to go ahead and reduce variation. The second one, reduce the defects or reduce the errors, right? So variation reduce hoga, hence the defects will be reduced. The third one that I wanted to talk about here to improve the yield of a process. Yield को हम output भी कह सकते हैं to make it an easier word. But I'll certainly go ahead and make a video on yield as well in the future, right? What exactly yield is. So there are two types of yield. One is RTY, that's rolled throughput yield, and then there's a yield, right? So we'll discuss about it in the future video that I'll make, right? अब क्योंकि डिफेक्ट्स रिड्यूस हो गए हैं, वेरिएशन रिड्यूस हो गया है, आउटपुट इंक्रीज हो गया है, ये यील्ड सही हो गई है, राइट? सो टू improve CSAT, right? So CSAT will improve. Fifth, improve the bottom line. So मेरी जो bottom line है, that will also improve, right? So Six Sigma will help us in reducing the variation, reducing the defects or the errors to improve the yield of a process, improve the customer satisfaction, and to improve my bottom line, right? So these are the major goals, right, that we have. अब ये करता कैसे है? If you remember, in one of the videos we talked about y is a function of x, right? Where y is my dependent variable and x is my independent variable, right? Now, this is also called as an output. This is also called as an input, right? So ये जो आउटपुट है, राइट, अगर ये सही नहीं आ रहा है, राइट, किसी भी प्रोसेस का, so we go ahead and gauge it, right? Gauge, or I'll go ahead and benchmark it, right? First we identify why कि इसमें why में problem है, right? So after we go ahead and identify the problem with why, we go ahead and find the axis कि axis क्या है. After we find the axis, we'll go ahead and find the critical axis. Axis तो मिल गए हमें, बट क्रिटिकल एक्सेस क्या है जो मेरे प्रोसेस को इम्पैक्ट कर रहे हैं? क्रिटिकल एक्सेस, राइट? आफ्टर वी फाइंड द क्रिटिकल एक्सेस, विल वर्क ऑन इट. कैसे काम करेंगे? एज पर द गाइडलाइंस ऑफ सिक्स सिग्मा, राइट? विल हैव टू वर्क ऑन इट, एंड आफ्टर वी वर्क ऑन इट, द वाई विल इम्प्रूव. वाई पे इम्पैक्ट होगा. So this was all about in this video. I hope you understood what are the major goals of Six Sigma. And please subscribe to my channel. That's much needed. And keep on watching for more stuff coming soon. Thank you.